So this is the project, and it's kind of okay. Let's go to code space here. Okay, and this is my serverless. Yes, I got here. Yeah. So for my code space, I already adjusted the set of parameters. You can see them here. So secret and variable for code space, I have my AWS access key ID, AWS region, AWS secret access key. So all of them already have been initialized as a environment variable here. Yeah. So I'm waiting for this to launch, and this is our application. It's here. Yeah, I'll go through this. So this application is easy. It's developed in it's developed by under Streamlit. I'm using Streamlit here. Okay, just I will upload and here's my variable. I didn't got them from environment variable. I just initialized them here. Okay, so except for the region, I guess. No, even the region is here. Okay, so I will just upload an image, and I will get the set of parameters. Then 10 parameters, 10 features of the image will be displayed by AWS recognition to recognize those features. Later on, I will upload the image to S3. And of course, I will drop the URL. It will be a pre-signed URL and on AWS DynamoDB. This is everything. Just at the end, I have to display the table, and I guess instead of talking about this, why not going through a fresh demo? Yes, let's make a demonstration here. So Streamlit. First, let's check it's Streamlit. It does exist, yes or no? Yeah, I guess it's here. Yeah, I hope I didn't, because I already have requirements, and as you can see here, I installed Streamlit, Boto 3, Pandas. Yeah, it's already. So PWD. This is my my folder, and this is the file I'm interested in. So Streamlit run, and it will be up as yes, this one. Okay, let's stream. Okay, I guess I have a finger that slipping. Yes, so Streamlit. Open in a browser. Yeah, it's okay. So let's have a look at this. This is my application. Okay, it's running good. And by the way, this is public and can be shared, and you can have you have even a public IP here for external URL. So just to show how it's really useful it's really straightforward to use a Streamlit. This is a photo, and I will take, for example, I don't know. Let's take this, like Momo. Momo, my son. Okay. Okay, and so I'm limited to 200 mega. This is the limit of AWS recognition, and this is the photo, and these are label detected. So art 78.31. This is an adult, a male, a man, a person, face, head, books. I don't know where are books. I don't see. Maybe this pack bag, but I can't see books. If you see the book, just tell me, because I cannot see any here. You know, this is sometimes you look at photos and it turns us it turns like a paranoia. So, and yes, it's put to S3, put S3, use put back, put object, right? And store the image metadata in AWS DynamoDB. Let's have a look at DynamoDB here. This is our table, and you can see we have labels stored here. We have image key. This is pre-signed image key. Not seen. This is the key. If you got the pre-signed, so I don't know if the date here is not. There is no date here, but I guess the date should be. Yeah, this is the date. Yeah, it's a kind of timestamp here associated to the image. So I didn't choose a special date here, but if I would like to show the image, I click here and I will get the, not this. This is 11, today is 12. So it's this is a 12. So the image I uploaded yesterday 11 for demonstration. So if I click on, yes, this is my photo. Okay, so if I go to my DynamoDB and have a look at it, I would find this. Okay, if I go to AWS recognition here, I'll find the service, which is a very good service. You just upload and yeah, label detection, will detect a label, and it's kind of having all image features. You can see here, we limited the features to 10 labels, but you can upload any image here, okay? So this is the service you are using. Here you have AWS DynamoDB. If I go to table, let's just check the name of the table, because it's, I guess it's here. This is the name of the table. It's Dynamo table. It's image label. So that's fine. It's here. It's not far. So this is our, yeah, I have to explore and get this image on 12. This is our image. Okay. Of course, I didn't store the image here. I stored just the key. But the image is stored where? S3. If we go to S3 and let's check the name of the bucket, AAI rep BH. If we go to AAI rep BH, it's here. I'll find the image, and the last one, 12. It's you can see it here. Yes, it's here. This is my image. Of course, I cannot click here unless I get the pre-shared URL. If I click here, yes, it access denied because we have it's a matter of security. It's blocked already here. If you look at the permission by default, it's blocked. Not the image, I mean the AIP. Okay, so if a permission here blocked, block on everything. But if I go to and click on the pre-signed, and this is basic things, by the way, you learn this. If I got pre-signed, that for example, 1 minute, I will get this. This is the copy, the pre-signed. If I put it here, I'll get the image. So yes, I would like to download it. Okay, no problem. This is the image. Yes. So it's really simple. What we would like to do, it's not this, I mean, just display the features and store it in S3. And no, we didn't plan to do this. We plan to put this on a container. So we'll develop, we'll push this into a repository. And first of all, I will stop this, Control L. Let's check if I have any image. Oh, I have many here. So let's get rid of them. Okay, Docker's RMI, right? And I don't know. I have to. What is the command that let me delete them all? I don't know it. Really, I don't know it. But maybe. So why? -F maybe to force error response time and such. Why I can't docker RMI RMI, and why I using image ID? Why ADAB? Yeah, so ADAB minus F. Response: no such ADAB. Okay, really? Let's Docker image again. Okay, I deleted. Okay, sorry. Okay, they are gone. Okay, so what we'll do here is we'll go through phases. I mean, first of all, we go to Elastic Container Registry and we'll create a repository. So the repository will contain, so we'll make it mutable. We can modify it, okay, and we keep it to keep the encryption as it is. It's really just I have to give a name. So let's image repo. I call it, okay, image repo, and this is my repo. And once I click here and it's created, okay, I click here, I have nothing here, nothing pushed here, but if I click on view push commands, I will get these commands. First, I have to retrieve the authentication. I will just follow the commands. I'm authenticated. This is the ECR get login password. So this is a token, and I guess I am logged in. I am authenticated. Later, I have to build. So I have Docker here. You can have a look at this. This is my Docker. So I am deploying a Python 3.9. I don't know why I deployed 3.9. I have other version. Yeah, it's okay. It's just a slim version, okay, installing the requirement. Expose 8501. This is the port we use on a container to display the application. And this is the command streamlit run. This is our application, the server port 8501, and it will be open for everybody. Okay, server address 000. No need to install anything here. Let's carry on, and Docker, so we'll build an image repo. Everything will be, okay, this is our image. Okay, later on, we'll go and we'll give it a tag, I mean, okay, so we have to give it a tag, otherwise it will not be. So image, we give it a tag latest. So this is our, we push it. So we authenticate, we build, we tagged, and we push. It's kind of a dance here, okay. Now make it high. So this is Docker push, and this is the URI of our image, which will be used later, and this will be done fast and furious, and we are pushing our image there. So yeah, okay. So actually we are pushing. So a few moments later, we'll get our image here, pushed and ready to be orchestrated on ECS. So what we will do later, we'll keep this image here and we will move to ECS. Okay, what we will do in ECS here, we'll create a cluster. Yeah, we'll create a cluster, task definition, and we'll run the service. That's it. Okay, so it's done here. If I go back here to my ECR, I find it and refresh this. This is my image. This is my tag, and this is my URI. Okay, you can see it here. Copy URI. Okay, this is my URI. Of course, I can click here and get my URI. This is my URI. Okay, so you have my ID. This is the user ID, I mean. And what's left will use all this will be used by the task definition mainly. So okay, did I copy it? Yes, copy it. Yeah, I need it. Yeah. So let's create a cluster first. Okay, so create a cluster. So I'll call it IMG cluster. Yeah, IMG cluster. Yes. and nothing to do. I will use just Fargate here, okay? So this is Fargate. Serverless service, which will manage all my containers seamlessly. I am not using EC2, so it will be just containers managed by Fargate. This is really amazing, yeah. And you click, oh yeah, nothing to do here, just create the cluster only. Later on, waiting for the cluster, we create the task definition. Let's create our task definition, a new one. We'll give it a name here. We'll call it task def task def image rep. Yeah, img rep task definition. So it will be the infrastructure requirement here will be launched by this is the blueprint, by the way. It will define how to be deployed. So the launch type, AWS Fargate, I will stick to the system. I will not modify anything here except this. Maybe I will be a little bit greedy here and I will choose maybe 1 gigabyte. That's more than enough. I know the application is not that much hungry. Task role. So I will choose this task role. Let's have a look at this task role. What's this? It's created by default. Let's have a look at this. And when you check this task role, it's really amazing. I mean, task role? What is the name of the task role? Do you remember what's the name? It's ECS task. So ECS task. So who is here? This is our ECS task. Okay, let's click on it. And let's, first of all, trust relationship. So you have, this will be assumed by the service here. Okay, this is service. We have, of course, Fargate serverless, so to be assumed by this. But for the permission, I didn't add any permission. But ECS figured out. So it figured that I'm using S3. Okay, I'm putting the image S3. Execution, of course, this is for the execution of this is for the task execution. But look at this DynamoDB. It already gave me full. I don't need full. Really, it's really too permissive. I need just put item only. I don't need all this. Okay, but I will keep them. Okay, I will modify it. But you know, it's done automatically without any intervention, which is amazing. But later on, you can make it less permissive and just use what you need. I didn't use DAX, neither gate pipeline. I just used put item. If you look somewhere here, you will find something related to so KMS Lambda. Oh my God! So everything. But so for DynamoDB, it's for DynamoDB is everything. Yeah. For DynamoDB, it's everything. I don't need this. I need just put item, but I will keep it. I will keep it. I will not modify it. Okay. So this is amazing. So let's go back here, and task execution role. Yeah, we have the execution. We saw it, and here comes the name. So repo image, repo img, and for the image URI, this is my image URI. You remember it? This is my image URI. Where did it come from? It came from here. So here is my image URI. This is my image URI. So, here we comes to the security. 80 is open by default, but I have to add the 8501. You know, okay, because my Fargate, as you know, exposes the port 8501. So this is, and everything else. I don't have any variable environment to add here, nothing, and I'll keep everything by default. Log location, this is a log file for CloudWatch and CloudTrail, CloudTrail, and I create. That's it. Easy and fast and furious. Now, what we will do here, I will deploy as a service. I will create a service, not for a task. I will create a service. So this is my task definition. This is my service name. And this is my cluster, IMG cluster, okay? Okay, assign service name that's unique for the cluster. You can keep it by default here. Don't modify anything. Just wait on one Fargate base 081. Here you can, it's about scalability here. Use custom here. You can add more here if you can click on the base, the minimum number of tasks to run here. Okay, minimum 0. And the weight is 1 here. Okay. What's the weight here? The weight is the relative percentage of the total task that should run on a capacity provider. So this is a rate. This is a ratio. Yes, it's amazing here. So desired task 1, health check. This is the health check because you are running on Fargate on a set of containers, and it has to check. It's the same thing as a load balancer to check and listen to the healthiness, whether these containers are healthy or not. Don't modify anything here just to start. This is and just create. Okay, so it's straightforward. I create a cluster, I create a task definition, and then I created a service. I create a service here. That's it. It's active, and it takes a few minutes. So let's carry on. It will be done in a few moments. So now, yeah, let's wait here. So the question here, I mean, if I have to update this, to update something, what should I do? What should I do? Okay, this is a version. What should I do if I have to update? Yes, okay, you will create another image. You will push it. Okay, yes, you will push it. And when you push it, you will have, you will tag it, of course, version 2 or latest 2. You will give it a different tag, and tag will be used, its URL. I mean, you will get both here. In ECR here, when you add another one, you will find them both here. This one, the latest, and another one with another tag. And since I got this URI and deployed and use it for the task definition, if there is any update, I have to take the second one, copy it, and create and update the task definition here. This is where I got this, because you have create a new revision. It's amazing. Create new revision. This is just the same task definition with just a revision and a new URI of the modification you made, the update you made on your container, on your image here. Okay, if I will do it maybe if you have time, but it's easy to do. So this is let's go to our cluster. Yeah, it's still running here. Let's go to our cluster. So this is our service. It's active. Created 2 minutes ago. Deployment, the task is running. Later in progress, it's still in progress. Task definition, okay, this is our task definition. Did you see here, task definition 1? If I make an update with a new tag of new image, I mean, I will get task definition 2 or any other label you can use it. So, and here you can update, okay, you can delete the service, you can manage tags, of course. But here I will not do this. I will click on this. It's still running, by the way. I'm still waiting. So I'm just, I'm not, yeah, it takes few minutes, but it's crucial to have certain things done. Look at this task, okay? To have the IP, the DNS. So I will go back here. Look what the ID. I click on the cluster, the service. I go to the task. Once I went to the task here, this is this is my task. So the task and the service, okay? I repeat one more time here. So this is the cluster. This is my service. Under the service, I go to task and click here. It's running. Time, this task definition, you click here. And here you will have this. This what you have. So this, you can open it. This is a private public, of course. If I take this and put it here, Of course, I have to add the 8501, otherwise it doesn't work. And let's see here, and with magic, it works. So really, in just few minutes, I managed to have, let's put this, okay, or maybe this image. I like this image, by the way. So I upload it. Yeah, this is oh, this is really amazing. I'm really under the charm of those artists who managed to do this. It's fast. And if I go here, I'll find it's not okay. It's not. I mean, it's not. I didn't use a table to get those item uploaded according to their timestamp. Yeah, okay. But I guess I don't know which one. Okay, outdoor. No, not outdoor. I have to look for. Yeah, this is comic. This is comic. Why is comic? Ah, this is the comic. Okay, so this is the image, out image. Aquatic. Yeah, this is aquatic. Yeah. And if I go comic, yeah, I'm laughing at this. So if I go now to my DNS here, yes, not DNS. I mean DynamoDB. I'll find my record there, and everything is done. I mean, okay. Now, if I have to modify this, okay, I'll let you do it. For example, I will not go to MaxLab 10. I'll make them just, I don't know, maybe 7. Maybe 7. And max confidence, 75%. Let's make them shorter. I mean, let's make them, I don't know, maybe 80% confidence. You know, those things are displayed according to a certain confidence. Okay, if I do this, I have to tag it again. Okay, so I'll let you do this and enjoy it. Thank you.